In this coaching session, I speak with a founder who's already doing 8 grand in monthly recurring revenue with a software as a service tool helping marketing agencies write better cold outreach copy using AI. Their goal is to scale to 25 grand MRR, but they're running into issues with product churn, feature feedback, and audience targeting from organic content. We break down why their free trial model might be attracting the wrong users, and then how to fix their churn problem through product iteration, and then why targeting broad audiences is hurting their growth, and how to shift focus to their ideal customer profile, and then how to build a content flywheel and plan for a future affiliate system, and then why transitioning customers into employees might help them iterate faster. Let's get into it. It starts with framing the problem. Client says, I'm currently making around 8 grand in monthly recurring revenue. My main acquisition channel is organic content, and people are signing up for the free trial, but I'm stuck trying to scale to 25 grand MRR. The churn is too high, and I'm not sure if the free trial is the best model anymore. I say, got it. So your free trial is converting, which tells me you've built something people want, but your MRR growth is capped and churn is eating away at the base. Have you considered replacing the free trial with a freemium model where users can access the tool but pay for key limitations or premium features? Client says, I haven't tried that yet. I've always given everything away during the trial, hoping they convert, but yeah, I've noticed that people game it. They just create new accounts once the trial ends. I say, right, freemium builds stickiness like Notion or Descript. Users stay because the base version is helpful, and they upgrade naturally. And you're right, many free trial users aren't serious buyers. That could mean your content is pulling in broad audiences instead of qualified leads. And then we get into trial feedback and audience fit. I say, what kind of feedback are you getting from those who sign up for the trial? Client says most feedback has been about minor user experience issues and feature inconsistencies, nothing major. But I've noticed the most active users are marketing agencies offering cold outbound as a service. They're actually generating the majority of our revenue. I say, so that's your ideal customer profile then. So the free trial is attracting broad attention, but the conversions are coming from a very specific type of agency. What industry are these agencies in? Client says mainly e-com and B2B lead gen agencies. The B2B cold outbound ones are sticking the most. And then we get into core product versus commoditization. I say that's useful to know. Here's a key question. Do you believe your software as a service is non-commoditized? Is the problem you're solving unique enough that your solution can't be easily replaced? Client says, yeah. We use AI to enhance the emotional targeting cold outreach copy. It's pretty specialized. Competitors aren't solving it the same way. I say good, but if iteration is slow, even non-commoditized solutions can lose edge. Let's be honest, are you iterating fast enough right now? Client says not really, it's just me and one dev. I'm doing a lot of the ops too, so product iteration slows down. That's part of the churn issue too. Bugs and incomplete features take too long to fix. And then it gets into fixing product and team bottlenecks. I say, right, here's my take. You're on the edge. You validated a solid use case, but you need to solve churn before you scale. I'd pause any affiliate plans or heavy content expansion until your product is sticky. Think, how can I make MRR that doesn't churn? Client says makes sense. I've thought about hiring, but I don't want to bloat the team, and hiring engineers is tough. I say, what about converting power users into operators? You have clients in your ecosystem already. Some of them might be able to help you iterate faster or even step into operational roles, especially if they believe in the product. And then we get into strategy, summary, and go forward plan. I say, let me summarize what we're locking in as a path forward. Number one, refactor free trial into freemium model. Give the tool away with limitations that encourage paid upgrades. Number two, fix the churn. Prioritize UX fixes and stability to improve retention. Number three, ICP first marketing. Split off a niche channel for your core ICP, which is cold outbound agencies, without killing the broad audience content. Number four, explore operator hires from within. Instead of hunting for full stack devs, promote users into part-time roles with structured systems. Number five, hold off on affiliate flywheel. Wait until churn is solved. Scale comes after stickiness. Clients love it, especially that last one. I was rushing the affiliate idea too early. Fixing churn comes first. And then the client comes up with the process-focused goals for the next 2 days. It is to map out the new freemium model, what features stay free versus paid, then to gather the top 5 to 10 support tickets and issues contributing to churn, and then reach out to 2 to 3 power users and gauge interest in helping with operations, and then outline a Notion SOP for onboarding any future collaborators or internal hires. I hope you guys found this valuable, and if you did and you want to see more of me on your home feed, hit that subscribe button. Take care.